There's a channel out here embarrassing the entire YouTube Shorts ecosystem, RoRants. This dude has 1.58 million subscribers, and his shorts are casually pulling 12, 16, even 17 million views each. From Roblox Rants. I'm not joking, and he's not alone. There are smaller channels using the exact same formula and exploding out of nowhere. No fancy editing, no crazy storytelling, just raw, chaotic, life is annoying energy, and millions of views. So I sat down and figured out exactly how this works. And today I'm showing you 2 ways to recreate this style for yourself. The automated paid way, where AI does almost everything, and the 100% free manual way for the people who have Wi-Fi, a dream, and $0. And listen, as usual, I don't like long tutorials, and I'm pretty sure you don't either. So if you want more videos like this, hit like and subscribe, and let's start right now. I've already analyzed the top channels in this niche and the best performing videos, so I built 2 prompts for you. They're in the description. Copy the first one, open ChatGPT, paste it, hit enter. It'll instantly generate 10 fresh, viral YouTube Shorts rant topics built around Roblox culture, Gen Alpha chaos, school drama, and ridiculous meme energy. Pick the best topic. For example, Gen Alpha walks into school like they own the planet. Drop it into the chat box, then go back to the document, copy the second prompt, paste it under the topic, and hit enter. That gives you a full script written in dramatic first-person style, simple teen wording, and emotional emojis baked in. For the free method, start by getting your voiceover. Go to ElevenLabs or Gemini Speech Generator. I usually stick with ElevenLabs. Paste your script, choose the voice you like, and generate it. You'll get a clean, high-quality voiceover ready to use. Next, you'll need a Roblox gameplay clip for your background. Download Roblox from Play Store or Google Play. It's free with over 1 billion downloads. Install it, record a short gameplay clip, then prepare the memes or images you want to include, or generate them with Nano Banana. Once all your assets are ready, open CapCut and import everything so you can put the full video together. Put the gameplay on the timeline, set the video ratio to 9:16, and drop in the voiceover. Tweak the audio a bit, remove silent gaps, click on the voice, then open the voice changer tab and pick teenager. After that, go to the speed tab, set it to 1.40, and turn on change audio pitch. Then add your images where needed and drop in sound effects. Generate captions after that. This feature isn't free in CapCut. I'm using CapCut Pro, so let me know in the comments if you know a free caption tool. When everything looks right, export the video in good quality. That's your final result.
Bro, the way Gen Alpha walks into school like they run the entire world has me actually losing brain cells. I swear one of them strutted in today like he just bought the building with Robux. Robux, not real money Robux. And tell me why this kid looked me dead in the eyes and said, "Move, civilian." Civilian? Bro thinks he's the final boss in a side quest. His backpack is literally bigger than his whole personality, and he's walking around like the main character of a Netflix show nobody asked for. Then, during lunch, he slammed his chocolate milk on the table like it was a contract signing. Whole cafeteria shook. Kid's 4'7" and acting like he's negotiating his Spotify deal. At this point, I'm convinced they're spawn, not born.
It looks great. Now, if you want to automate everything, go to Vsub.io. It's used for different viral niches, but we only need this trending one, Roblox rant videos. Click on it, then click the import button to upload your script. Head back to ChatGPT, copy your script, come back to Vsub, and paste it inside. You can tweak the voiceover later. Hit import. When you click create, your video will be generated in seconds.
Gen Alpha walks into school like they run the entire world has me actually losing brain cells.
To add sound effects, click any word in the script and choose the effect you want. To add images, click a word, open the media tab, and upload a photo related to what you're talking about. You can generate those using Nano Banana, download them, and upload them here. Use the settings icon to adjust how long each image stays on screen. Then click the video tab, upload your background clip, and download your finished video.
Bro, the way Gen Alpha walks into school like they run the entire world has me actually losing brain cells. I swear one of them strutted in today like he just bought the building with Robux.
In less than 5 minutes, you can pump out 1 or 2 videos easily. To make something more polished, let's pick another topic. Gen Alpha think they're Roblox millionaires for no reason. Fun topic. Generate the script the same way. Go to Vsub, import it, and hit import. If you want conversational back and forth with multiple voices, use the blank box feature, cut the other characters' lines, paste them into a new box, and pick a voice for each box. If you want extra voices, go to settings, click add voice, and choose from the ElevenLabs list. Once you split all the dialogue, click create video. Your video will be ready, but to level it up, insert images where needed and add sound effects, then go to the video tab. You can't use the default background, so screen record your own gameplay and upload it as your background. If you don't want to install or play the game, go to the Vsub homepage, click Gameplay Marketplace, and buy a clip. Once you buy it, it's removed from the marketplace and only you own it. You can reuse it up to 3 times. Once everything is set up, download your video and check it.
Bro, Gen Alpha really out here thinking they're Roblox millionaires for absolutely no reason, and it's destroying my sanity. Like this kid today looked at me and said,
I wouldn't wear that. My net worth is too high.
net worth? Bro, you have 12 Robux and a dream. He kept bragging like,
Yeah, I traded a limited once.
once. And it was a fake item from some sketchy YouTube tutorial he watched at 3 a.m. Then he tried to flex his avatar like it was a designer outfit reveal. Sir, you are wearing the same free cowboy hat everyone gets by accident. And the way he talked, you'd think he owned the entire Roblox economy. Kid said,
I could buy this whole school.
while holding a crusty Chromebook that barely loads the login screen. At this point, I'm convinced Gen Alpha is living in a whole different universe. Next kid who flexes his Robux at me is getting logged out from reality.
If you can afford the Vsub subscription, I highly recommend it. Plans start at $29 per month. If this tutorial helped you, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.